Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add percentage symbol in Excel. So I have this sample table right here, and as you can see this one is already in percentage. However, this one is not. So you can see this is in general number, but it should be in percentage. Now it might be tempting to basically click this one right here, but basically if you do that, this is what's going to happen. So we're going to go back and we're going to do it the right way. So the best way for us to do it is we're going to go ahead and highlight them once again, and then we can go ahead and click this general here, and then we're going to choose more number formats. Now from here we're going to click custom, and then in the type we are going to delete this, and I want you to go ahead and type this one right here. So this basically is ensuring that we are not putting more zeros into them. So as you can see, just percentage. If I hit OK, it's going to turn that into percentage just like so. So yeah, that is the right way in order for us to add percentage symbol in Excel.